Here I have WIKO Highway Signs, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let me open the phone's dialer and activate keypad. Afterwards, let's use the following secret code. Let's start by using a testing menu. So *##4636# ###. As you can see, testing menu just pops up. Here you can choose phone information by tapping the first option, and you can read such things as email number, phone number, current network, cell info, signal strength, roaming, the location and other stuff. You can also run a ping test, turn off the radio. You can tap more key in order, for example, to select radio band, view SIM address book, get PDP list, or enable data connection. Let's go back, and this time let me choose the battery information. Here you've got information about your batteries such as battery status, battery scale, battery temperature, or for example time since boot. Let's go back and choose user statistics. Here you've got the list of all applications from your device, and you can read such things as counter and usage time. Let me go back and choose Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configure networks, or get connection info. Let's go back one more time and let's choose the Wi-Fi config, and if you have some configured networks, here you have the full specification of them. Let's go back, and this time let me show you the Wi-Fi status. Here you've got the statistics about your Wi-Fi. You can refresh them or run a ping test. Let's go back and choose the back arrow again in order to close testing menu. Now let me open the calendar info. So let's use *#*225#*#*. As you can see, the calendar information just pops up. You can read the events from contacts, from your country, from PC synchronization, and from your Google account. Let me go back, and this time let me open the Google Play Services mode. So let's use *#*426###. As you may notice, Google Play Services just pops up. Here you can select ping, connect, disconnect, or events. Now it's time to open the Debug UI, so let's use *#*759###, and the Debug UI just pops up. Here you can view clients' IDs, you can change OEM mode and do some other stuff. Let's go back, and at the end let me show you how to check email number by using a secret code. So let's use *#06#, and the email number just pops up. Let's tap OK to close this window. Excellent, now you can go back and start using your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.